You spend hours scrolling through public libraries for that perfect indicator, only to end up staring at a messy chart full of lagging signals. Retail trading often centers on a few dozen public indicators. When millions of people use the same lagging RSI or MACD signals on the same charts, their entries and exits become predictable data points for the rest of the market. Building an indicator that speaks the specific language of a single strategy allows for precision that generic tools can't provide. PineScript v5 is the current industry standard for this transition, offering the libraries and stable execution needed to build a bespoke trading system from scratch. When your tools are as adaptable as your risk profile, you stop reacting to the market's lag and start executing on its specific structure. Most traditional programming languages, like Python, read a script once from top to bottom. PineScript operates on a totally different execution model. Pine acts like a movie projector. Your script runs independently for every historical candle, processing sequentially from left to right. At the present moment, the rules change. On that final, real-time bar, the logic recalculates every time the price ticks. To handle all that history without bogging down, Pine uses a concept called series data. Instead of writing complex loops to scan through old prices, Pine treats data points like the closing price as a built-in historical list. To check the current close, you use a bracketed 0. For the previous candle, swap the 0 for a 1. With this series array, checking if a current high breaches a previous high is a simple one-line command. This bar-by-bar processing keeps the software from slowing down. Your math stays incredibly light, ensuring you get fast, actionable signals even during periods of heavy market volatility. Speed isn't enough if your logic is rigid. Hard tilting a 20-period moving average into your script guarantees it will break the second the market shifts from a clear trend into a choppy range. The solution is the input library. By declaring input types, users adjust parameters directly from a settings menu without touching the code. Adding clear descriptive labels here prevents catastrophic execution errors when trading under pressure. Once you have dynamic inputs, you can combine them using Boolean logic, simple true or false statements. You can require the price to be above an EMA and the RSI to be oversold to create a strict setup identifier. This shows conditional coloring in action. The script plots the setup so the line instantly turns green, but only when all strict Boolean conditions align perfectly. Zooming out, the psychological benefit becomes obvious, an immediate visual feedback loop. By combining dynamic inputs with these conditional visuals, you eliminate cognitive overload. You make instant, confident decisions, even during the chaotic overlaps of the London and New York sessions. Before you take any custom code into a live market, you have to verify your data to avoid what coders call the repainting trap. Peeking at future daily closes gives a flawless backtest on the left, but crashes in real-time execution on the right. The fix is straightforward. Apply a strict look-ahead parameter and always verify your math before risking a single dollar. Coding your own indicators allows you to move past generic templates and create a system that filters noise based on your unique risk profile. Open up your Pine editor right now. Try coding a simple EMA tool that changes color based on volatility, and execute it on FXNX's zero-spread infrastructure for ultimate precision.